Imagine stepping into your dream attic hideaway, where every inch is maximized for both style and function. This compact kitchen is the heart of the space, boasting sleek built-in appliances that blend seamlessly into minimalist cabinetry. But don't let its size fool you, hidden storage solutions abound, keeping clutter at bay. And oh, that small breakfast bar bathed in warm natural light from the skylight above? It's the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee or unwind after a long day. Welcome to Kitchen Nirvana in the cozy confines of your attic retreat. Step aboard the kitchen of tomorrow with this futuristic marvel inspired by spaceship interiors. Picture smooth curves and glossy surfaces that transport you to another dimension of culinary bliss. But it's not just about looks, innovative retractable elements take center stage. Imagine a concealed sink and stove that emerge with a touch, like something out of a sci-fi flick. And the cherry on top? Smart technology that puts you in the captain's seat, allowing seamless control of every aspect of your cooking experience. Buckle up, because this compact kitchen is about to take you on a culinary journey to the stars. Welcome to the heart of sustainability in the form of this eco-friendly compact kitchen design. Here, every detail is meticulously crafted to minimize our footprint on the planet while maximizing convenience. Picture reclaimed wood countertops that not only add rustic charm but also tell a story of renewal and conservation. Energy-efficient appliances stand ready to tackle culinary tasks with minimal impact on resources. But perhaps the most striking feature? Vertical gardening systems that bring nature indoors, offering fresh herbs and greens at arm's reach while purifying the air we breathe. It's a harmonious blend of modern convenience and environmental consciousness, proving that with a little ingenuity, we can nourish both our bodies and the planet we call home. Step into the future of kitchen design with this high-tech marvel that's as sleek as it is smart. Picture minimalist aesthetics that blend seamlessly with cutting-edge technology, creating a space that's both functional and futuristic. Voice-controlled appliances stand ready at your command, turning cooking into a hands-free experience like never before. Touchscreen interfaces offer intuitive control over every aspect of your kitchen, from temperature settings to recipe suggestions. And with customizable lighting options, you can set the perfect ambience for any occasion with just a tap. It's a game-changer for modern urban dwellers, bringing the convenience of automation into the heart of the home. Welcome to the kitchen of tomorrow, where innovation meets inspiration at every turn. Step into the serene simplicity of Scandinavian design with this compact kitchen layout that's as functional as it is stylish. Think clean lines, natural materials, and a soothing neutral color palette that instantly calms the soul. But it's not just about aesthetics, this kitchen is all about maximizing functionality and simplicity. Picture clever storage solutions tucked away seamlessly, keeping clutter at bay and allowing the space to breathe. And for those intimate gatherings, integrated seating beckons you to gather round and share laughter and good food with loved ones. It's Scandinavian chic at its finest, where every element is thoughtfully curated for a harmonious living experience. Step into the realm of avant-garde design with this compact kitchen concept that dares to defy tradition. Prepare to be wowed by transparent countertops that add an element of intrigue, offering a glimpse into the inner workings of culinary creativity. Sculptural fixtures dance gracefully above, turning mundane tasks into artistic endeavors. But it doesn't stop there. Bold pops of color electrify the space, infusing it with a sense of energy and excitement. It's a visually striking masterpiece, where every element pushes the boundaries of convention to create an unconventional culinary experience like no other. Get ready to embark on a journey of culinary exploration in this avant-garde oasis where imagination knows no bounds. Step into the world of urban living where space is a luxury and innovation reigns supreme. This micro-kitchen concept is the epitome of industrial chic meets practicality. Picture a sleek wall-mounted foldable dining table that effortlessly tucks away when not in use, alongside modular shelving units that adapt to your storage needs. But the real magic lies in the clever integration of multipurpose appliances, turning every square inch into a powerhouse of functionality. From a compact oven to a hidden dishwasher, this kitchen maximizes efficiency without sacrificing style. Say hello to urban living at its finest, where form truly meets function. Step into the tranquility of a coastal oasis with this compact kitchen that channels the breezy charm of a beach cottage. Picture whitewashed cabinetry that echoes the sun-kissed shores, paired with weathered wood accents that evoke memories of driftwood washed ashore. Nautical touches abound, from charming rope handles to delicate seashell decor, infusing the space with the soothing rhythm of the ocean. It's a serene ambience that transports you to seaside retreats, even within the confines of a small space. So kick off your sandals, pour yourself a refreshing drink, and let the coastal vibes wash over you in this idyllic kitchen sanctuary. Step back in time to the cozy charm of yesteryear with this retro-style compact kitchen that's dripping with nostalgic vibes. Imagine pastel-colored cabinets that harken back to the good old days, paired perfectly with vintage-inspired appliances straight out of Grandma's kitchen. But the real showstopper? A quaint dining nook adorned with checkered flooring and delicate floral accents, inviting you to sit down and savor every moment. It's a space that exudes timeless elegance, where memories are made and stories are shared. Welcome home to the retro haven of your dreams. Step into the vibrant world of bohemian chic with this compact kitchen that's bursting with eclectic charm. Imagine vibrant textiles adorning every corner, adding pops of color and personality to the space. Mismatched tiles create a playful mosaic underfoot, while open shelving proudly displays an array of eclectic cookware and lush greenery, breathing life into every nook and cranny. It's a laid-back vibe that speaks to the artistic soul, inviting creativity and spontaneity into your culinary adventures. Whether you're whipping up a gourmet meal or simply sipping tea surrounded by the warmth of mismatched hues, this bohemian-style kitchen is sure to inspire and delight.